Alright, so let's talk about some of the updates for the robot. The ultrasonic sensor is here. Kind of moved it to the top. I have a servo down there, but we're going to redo the whole bottom of this guy. Just kind of added these guys in though. Because of the ultrasonic sensor can only reach a certain, I guess, there's only a certain amount of space that it bounces off things. It might hit the wall. So in order to stop it to do that, because I wanted to be able to get kind of close to things, is that if it happened to bump into something, it will set off these trip sensors on each side. I'm going to get 2 more of these guys and put them on the back. But I want to mount, there's going to be 1 ultrasonic sensor here, a sweeping one at the bottom, and there should be 2 in the back that may sweep or may not. I don't know. But that will control that as far as movement. But that's got to work on that later. As you see here, you can see me. Hello, how are you doing? This is the facial tracking, so it actually tracks my face from the camera up here. But you can see the lights on, so that works. You can see a nice speaker added here. So this is a small speaker added to make his voice a little bit louder, and we have a 3-watt amplifier on the side here wired in, so I can turn it up and down if I want. Let's turn on his voice. And we'll hear how loud he is. And if you see down here, I added some random LEDs, and those are just basically so that I can know that if the voice is not coming out of the speakers, but they are functioning, I'll see the lights blink. Weeko.
Yes.
So that's where we are with that. So the lights kind of do that. And let's see here. I have these little LEDs from the top here. These are just garden lights I got at Walmart. They have this little solar thing on the back. I cut all that out, and I'm just using the LEDs here in the front so I can turn them on and off. Weeko, lights on. Weeko, lights off. Weeko, blink lights. Weeko, lights off. So they'll just blink for a while and they'll stop if I don't tell it to turn them off. Those are just kind of accent lights. Don't really do anything. They will help at night if the light's off. But mainly the computer puts out enough light for it to be able to see. And ultrasonic doesn't need to be able to see, just the camera in the front. Last thing I added was this. This is a waterproof higher grade servo for the head. And then this guy right here, this little guy right here is aluminum. So it kind of makes it a little bit more sturdy than the little plastic thing that was in there. So that's pretty much all the additions right now. He has this mic here, which I'm just using for the time being because when I wired in the amp, I needed a better mic. This is also hooked up, this is a GPS module, which is hooked up. It's just not programmed to work yet. It's just wired in. So wiring all that stuff in, everything is kind of hooked up, but that's about it. I haven't really done anything else. It's just been kind of goofing. You guys take it easy. Peace out.